Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. I don't want to be a stickler on stuff that we've been doing around here, but I have to show you what's been happening the last 2 days. We're almost done with all the projects for 2019, and there won't be any more projects after this one's done. But this is the tile the wife picked out. These two people right here, husband and wife team, they're tile layers. They did a lot of the tile work in the pool, especially the stuff that was critical. These two people did. So from that we got the wife got their phone number and decided we'll have them lay the tile down out here. So this is what it looks like, and he beats it with a hammer, and she's out here spreading and making up the mortar and spreading it out, and he's laying the tile. Okay. Thumbs up. Oh, great people. Doing an excellent job. And this is what pond's looking like now. Got grass all the way around it in places where we didn't have. We got stuff growing in it. I've got 300 tilapia in here, and we had 200 that we bought earlier a month ago, and there was a hole in the bottom of there, and they got out. So I don't know how many of them got eaten or what, but there's some fairly big snake heads in there. But place is looking pretty good. It's almost done. But that was all I wanted to show you, was what the tile workers are doing. I did get 3 pomegranate planted for the wife, and I got her pumpkin planted. So we should start seeing some pumpkins pop up here in about 4 days. So y'all, hope you enjoyed this little snippet. It's just a little bit, but it's a little bit that needed to see that tile work going down. These guys are really good. I have to compare them with my tile layer that I had back in the States. He was fast. He was really fast, but he was awful good. And this guy, he's not near as fast, but man, he's precise. He does things right. So hope y'all enjoyed this. Talk to y'all later.